Hello guys, my name is Stark Trim, and today we have a quick tutorial on how to fix some quite errors on Task Scheduler, mostly on MSI Afterburner. Where's that? This one. Usually when you enable startup on MSI Afterburner, then error 1 shows up. The CTaskSchedulerInterface AddTask failed with error code -22 exclamation choo choo. Then this fix also applies on remote computer not found, error 2. Usually when you open Task Scheduler, where's that? Then when you open Task Scheduler, remote computer error just showed up. So here is the fix on that. It's just very quite and easy. So go to registry editor, hit yes, then go to this location. Go to this location, H key local machine system. Go to system, CurrentControlSet, then services. Then find these two folders, TimeBrokerSvc, then and SystemEventsBroker. Usually at the bottom. This one. So you change the value of this one, start. We will make sure that it's starting, because this is usually 4. It is default to 4. Change it to 2. So on startup it will change. It will have normal boot up of the task scheduler. And next is go to SystemEventsBroker folder. Here, change the dSort of this. Make sure it's 2. Then hit OK. The main problem here is that when you keep changing the drivers and keep on updating Windows 10, these things usually change. And updating drivers of video cards, Intel graphics thing, when you usually update your CPU, BIOS here. So that's all. After that, wait, it's not yet done. After changing it to 2, make sure to reboot your computer, restart, then check if you notice any changes. So that's all for today, a quick tutorial. So thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel down below. Yeah, let's go. Comment down if you have any problems. I might able to help. So yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, please do take time to visit my Society 6 online shop where I sell my canvas artworks, or check it out.